Okay, so today we're going to be using the area model to divide. Our first problem is 3,843 divided by 3. We need to figure out what the quotient for this is going to be. Remember that there are a few vocabulary terms we want to know. We know that this is our dividend, this is our divisor, and our answer is our quotient. Okay, so using the area model, which is today's strategy, we would set it up like this. I need to figure out how do I break down the number 3,843 all the way until there's nothing left over. I'm going to put my multiples of 3 over here on the side, and that can help me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. Just a refresher, this means that 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, and so on up to 3 times 9 is 27. So, everything that I calculate, I need to subtract from this 3,843. So let's think big. I know that, 3 times some number with a 9 could give me 27. For me, I realize, that's not my best friend just yet. But, I know that 3 times 10 equals 30. So that means, 3 times 1,000 is 3,000. Wow, that takes away quite a bit. Look. So now that only leaves me 843 left over, I can do this. So, 3 times something will give me close to 84. Well, I'm looking over here. I don't have anything right away. So let's just go for something friendly. 3 times another 200. Ah, yes. 3 times 200 is 600. Remember? 3 times 2 is 6. Add the zeros. See? That makes things easier. Look how fast we are breaking this number down. Well, I still have some left here to figure out. Well, I can't use 3 times 200 again because that's 600. That's too much. But I can look over here and say, 3 times 8. 3 times 80 would give me 240. Oh. Wow, I only have 3 left. Well, 3 times 1 is 3. This adds up to be my dividend. So that means this added up equals my quotient. I'm going to add that up and put that number here. So 1,281 is my answer. Now, just in case you're like, Miss Carrier, I can't believe what just happened before my eyes. We can always use multiplication to check our work. So, 1,281 times 3. 3. Sorry, that was the alarm in class. Okay, 3 times 8 is the 24. 3 times 2 is 6, 7, 8. And 3 times the 1,000 is 3,000. Aha! I told you. So, 3,843 divided by 3 is 1,281. It works. Parents, I know it seems a little tedious, but this is where we are starting. We want students to understand how to really break this number down into something that's easier to work with. We will get to a standard algorithm next week. So thank you for your patience as we learn this new strategy.